You ever wonder how much money you really need to start day trading? Spoiler, it's probably less or more than you think. Let's get into it. Your boy KO. Man, and everybody been asking me how much money you need to start day trading. Well, it all depends. It depends on a few things. We're about to get into it in this video right here. Make sure y'all hit a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And make sure y'all stay to the end when I'm going to give y'all a pro tip on day trading. So, startup capital, I say between $200 to $500, you can start day trading. That'll give you a nice cushion. You know, that's good. $200 to $500. But with that $200 to $500, you can start small and scale wisely. But there's gonna be some other things you need to do if you want to grow that account, like risk management. Never risk more than 1% to 2% of your account per trade. Always use a stop loss and have a plan for position sizing. You do that, you can grow your account. Risk management is important. You got to make sure you do that. Don't forget that. And another thing you need to do when you start in that small account, pick you a strategy. Pick a strategy, back test your strategy before going live, and stick to a consistent routine. Don't go off your routine. Somebody might try to knock you off, make you switch it. Just stick to a consistent routine. Emotionals means your emotions. Man, that emotional discipline is a motherfucker. You always got to control that emotional discipline. Don't revenge trade after a loss. Learn to take profit and accept your losses. Track your mental state in the journal. Track that shit down, man, because your emotions, man, emotional discipline will eat you alive. And always remember, it's always education over profits. Focus on learning the game and not just making money. Watch videos, read books, and analyze your trades. Avoid the hype and understand the why behind the price action. Man, I know a nice book, man, that changed my life when I was on my trade journey called From the Trash Man to the Cash Man. It's a link down there in the description. You can go ahead and grab that book, man. It changed my life, changed my mindset, and it helped me focus. And another thing on focus, set up your workspace for minimal distractions. You want to focus when you trade. Whenever you trading, you want to focus. So just set wherever you trading up at. Make sure you ain't got no distractions, no kids, no baby mamas running, no baby daddies. No, none of that, man. Make sure you ain't got. And remember, consistency is key. Show up daily. Even on days you don't trade, show up. Review your trades weekly. Look at how you did last week. I mean, I did good. I did bad. Review it. Learn from every mistake and improve your edge. Man, I'm giving y'all them gems, man. Y'all need to write this down or watch this video twice. I'm giving y'all gems. And avoid overtrading to reduce unnecessary costs. Make sure y'all don't be overtrading, man. You lose 3 trades in one day, don't try to go for the 4th one, man. It's going to be a new day tomorrow. That's called overtrading. And you don't want to be doing really more than 3 trades, 1 or 2 trades a day. You don't want to be doing all that. Man, make sure y'all watch this video again, man. I just gave y'all them gems, man. I'm going to give y'all a pro tip. If you new, don't focus on how little you can start with. Scale your way up. We're trying to build wealth one share at a time, one trade at a time. And remember, assets feed you, liabilities eat you. I'm KO, man, and I'm out, man.